Okay, so here is the closet, the original closet, and it's really tiny. So it really probably just used for shoes. Not that I have that many shoes, but it's just probably store luggage in it. And because it is old, there is no light at the ceiling. So I get decent light right now because it's the daytime, but this switch is for the ceiling in the room itself, but it's not for the closet. So fortunately, I went down to Ikea and they have this kind of like pill and stick light. And over here is a sensor. And so it turns off and on if you put it on automatic. So my goal is to stick it in the, up here in the door frame. So that way I can have some sort of automatic light. And I'm gonna be using these command hooks to help it stay in place. Okay, so I got the command hooks on here, and on the back of here, those little circles, I don't know if you see it clearly, but there's 2 on each side, and they also have like a sticky adhesive. So, goal is to have that sit right up there. So that way the sensor, which is here, will turn on every time I come in. There's the off on switch there, so I can just turn it off permanently. But yeah, so that is how I'm going to create light in this closet. So now you can see there's light coming from above. So shout out to Ikea for the helpful hack. So here is the light going off. And as I come in, the light is on.